Okay.
Are we doing the name your boat or yacht name?
Yeah.
Let's do the name your yacht game. 1 second.
So when we first were looking at this, this is your pirate name, but we switched some things around because we thought we needed a boat name.
Okay, so Jeny did not like her name, and her name was Fluff Bucket.
Fluff Bucket. Who wants Fluff Bucket for their name?
And you guys
Not
can
me.
unmute yourself.
Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
Yes. Let us know in the chat what your new yacht name is. Wait, I want to
There
see
you
mine.
go.
Yeah, what's yours?
First one.
Seas.
Master. Master Biatch. Master Biatch Archer.
Yeah, I like it.
That is a name.
That's a great one. I thought that was a funny one.
Okay, I am.
What about
dirty.
Captain Biatch?
You're Captain Biatch.
Biatch.
Yeah. That should be my name.
I'm dirty in hair.
Dirty and
Dirty
Hairy.
and
That sounds like a
Hairy.
stripper name.
Right.
Sounds like a stripper.
Fluff
Oh my gosh. Make sure you check your chat so we can see what the
Oh yeah, we need to
favorites-
see what some.
the favorites are.
Spot adjustment.
What was somebody just said one? I didn't hear it.
Scroll other way.
Mine is the Dirty Time Rays.
Oh.
Booby, booby, booby.
Oh boy.
What about the booby Fluff Bucket, Holly? That can only be Nikki.
Ooh, Spirit
Lady.
Lady. That is so like that's like classic.
Ooh, Rhonda is class.
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
here's Debbie's is cool stressless ripples. Yeah.
Tori something deep. Who cares?
These are good.
Oh my God,
Okay,
that's
Stephanie's
funny.
is breaking summer rays. Oh, that sounds like a good
Yeah,
one.
it's like
My sister sees latitude bouncer.
okay, look at Terry's 30 club.
I don't know what that is.
That is funny. Natalie's is thanks hot adjustment. Woo, yeah. That sounds like another
chiropractor.
Sabrina's clock shut down.
Lola's is not time and chicks. And Josiah's is thanks time ripples. Skinny wet trap. You made that up.
That is not yours.
You made that up, Jeffrey Heckman. Okay. Oh my God.